Okay, I'm staining white oak roof cut. I'm using Rubio Monocoat. This is a liter, ran me about $180. First thing I do, spray it off, make sure it's all clean. I already sanded this with 150 grit to get out any spots. These are brand new, I still sand them. I filled a chip on one, which came out really nice. It was on the backside, but it was there and I wanted to get rid of it. So what I do, take a little of this and I'll put it in around. Now I've got 3 pads set up here. 1, 2, 3. This is the one to put it on. That's to take off the majority, and that's to fine finish it, and then I use a rag on the rest of it. And if you've ever stained, you know that it goes a long ways. With Rubio, it takes a while to spread it around. After you've done 4, 5, 6 doors, this application pad will have more in it. I've set the speed on this as low as it'll go. I did like 20 yesterday. I was concerned about the actual pad that's on the sander, that it would get all filled with Rubio, and it didn't. Looks great. I should be able to use it with when I sand. If not, I did buy another one. Oh, I've got this on smooth wood, and by doing that, it moves around and doesn't tip over, which is very helpful. I tried one of my, what do you call it, this thing, and it made the legs stick, and it kept falling over on me. Okay, so this one I don't clean out. You see, it's going so slow, it's not shooting stain everywhere. What I do, make sure you can see this. Try and clean it up. I'm trying to get rid of, take off the excess. Yeah, I know there's fingerprints in the center of it. We'll get rid of those. Then I'm going to go to pad 3. This is to remove. Keep removing it. Rubio says that you can't remove too much. This is natural. And it comes in all kinds of colors, but you really can't see this one. Then after that one, got a rag over here. I mean, you can go against the grain like this, but then come back and go with the grain. And if you like this, hit subscribe. I'm going to put a whole bunch of these together and see what happens.